But guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the X username change error when done button isn't clickable. First, open X and go to your settings and privacy. Next, select your account, then open account information and tap username. Enter the new username you want to use. Make sure your username follows X requirements. It should be between 5 and 15 characters and can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. If the done button is still unavailable, try entering a different username and make sure it isn't already taken. Once the username is valid, the done button should now become available. Tap it to save your new username. And that's it. You can now change your X username without the done button issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Peace.